Getting ready for a special day comes easy as your daily skincare routine. Step 1. Foam cleansing. Gently massage your face with lavender foam cleansing to remove dirts and impurities, leaving your face fresh and clean. Step 2. Skin toner. Apply on face and neck to minimize skin pores while toning and restores pH balance. Step 3. Serum. Apply tiny dots under the eye and wrinkle area. Gently spread and tap to increase skin rejuvenating hydration for firmer skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Step 4. Milk lotion. A daily moisturizer rich in vitamin E that soothes, hydrates, and protects your skin. Now you're ready for a smoother, younger, more radiant look. Refresh, regenerate, and hydrate with Nature Skin Anti-Aging Lavender Series.